Mach 1's all tatted up with the sponsor. Make sure you guys check out Shield Car Wrap. One of the best car wrappers in Massachusetts right now. All tatted up. I'm gonna give you guys a QR code right there. And make sure to also follow the Instagram. Let's get a cold start going over here. That's what's up. She's loud. Oh yeah. So we're about to head to this car show. It is an import car show, but I'm still gonna pull up anyways with the car, mostly because the sponsor's paying for it and gonna get their names out there. But stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys all the nice cars over there. And
what milk? This guy. You hear him? Got milk. Got milk. Yeah, you got some Nutella right here, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh, got the nigga milk, huh? Sure. You got it. You got everything. He doesn't want the smoke. He's old. He's old.
Drop again, disappear. New Mach 1. That is a stick though. Mach 1 setting up. The GT5 is nice though.
All right, here we go. Jordan Kyle, number one qualifier
Engine.
in the 1150, ran 1158.8. Folks, this is the second time today I'm going to have to ask you, if you have lost your cell phone, we have found another one. Make sure you have your cell phone. One was just found and turned in. So if you have lost your cell phone,
Can't be a GTI.
but once again, if you have lost your cell phone,
Awesome. Yeah. I like the cage, look at that. It's nice. Oh, this is numbers.
It's got 800 horsepower though.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Jeez. Full carbon kit. Look at that thing. Damn.
Leon Reitman, Alex Vega here, Civic.
Yo, we got a V6 Type S engine in a little hatch Civic. It is for sale, by the way. Check it out. Thing's pretty clean. I wonder how much he's asking. Got the electric scooter in the back. Look at that. Nice little Beetle right there. Thing is nasty. Look at that. Pretty cool.
Once again, if you do not have your cell phone, come on to the tower here. We have one turned in up here. You reach into your pocket. If you don't have your cell phone, it might be here in the tower.
Hey yo, talk about an STI build. Damn, that's nice. This thing is, whew, that's one hell of a build.
Gonna take on Mysterious number 879.
Nice beamer. 2-3. Damn, that's pretty nice, man. It's team coilovers like that. I think that's nice.
Get that for you today.
Look at this apparatus.
That's where you can pick that up right there in the main area. I have all these chairs you bought online. As we mentioned earlier, next, I have all
Stick shift MT82. Nice, look at that. Lucky 7. Not bad.
My Audi A4! 3, 2, 1, go!
Hey, do you mind if I
Best sound in the world. All right, you ready? Purple B-Dub, go! You're right, it is too. It's like when somebody gets knocked out and they talk trash and they get working back up. All right, we have a female-driven D-Dub up against our right.